starters for Sarangani, Alex Desoyo, Mix Pascual, Chadi Rangel, Lars Sunga, and Koy Alves. Drives right, nakawala sa depensa.
Well, it matters sometimes.
To Koy Alves, shot blocked by Jopet Soriano.
Leak out.
Soriano, the catch and the finish of that gorgeous assist from Bam Lopo again to a running Soriano. Pass outside, Bonifacio. Dun. At may foul laban sa Sarangani.
Ito yung leak out kanina ni Jopet Soriano after, creating an opportunity on the other end, really ahead of everyone and able to finish. And the other sequence following that was that short jumper by Warren.
Sunga forcing his way inside, scoring 2 points for Sarangani. Baseline drive.
Nice pass.
Free throw line jumper by Warren Bonifacio.
You have, Boss Monching Talisayon forming this team alongside Coach Boyet. As you see a basket right.
Rangel rather with the difficult situation there.
Another one incoming.
Libre na naman at pasok na naman. Galing tip hands. Koy Alves tries a jumper and he will nail it from 25. Brian Lacap tries another free. This time he hits it.
Lacap was nakatulong si Danny.
Mike Mabulak with an
it up with second chance opportunity. It's still a 9-point lead for Biñan. First quarter, 6 sa mga field goal makes nila, as you see a 3 right there by Ken Brillantes, have really come from.
Marjun Wahing has one guy to beat, lays it up and in over Carlo Lastimosa.
Yung delay ng first step.
Mabulak sa loob, pasahan. Roa Curva, despite the contact, Eman Kurt Mabua gives it up. Danny Marilao, dinakot.
Oh. Classic Danny Marilao. Amo na, may kapitan na nangyari sa magkabilaan. Ito yung fast break para dito sa Sarangani. Dinakot yung bola. Grabe naman yun. Parang tennis ball lang
Pinalawit.
Nice.
Brillantes taking off everybody.
Watch out.
Boy taking off, but there to stick it back in off the miss was put back attempt.
Ito yung di pa ni Poy Aktub. Buti na lang nandun rin ang masipag na si Waray Himpayan.
Desoyo pulling up. Finally,
Uubos ka.
Desoyo
Oh man.
looked good, and it was good off the glass and in.
Immediately rising and understanding that's a sweet spot of his left side of the floor, made it kiss glass. Ganda.
He averaged in double figures in scoring, so that scoring is really part. Holding down the fort on the defensive end, lamang ngayon sila at the half against Sarangani.
Pinaka magandang finish na yun para sa Biñan last season.
Ganda nung hanap ni Bam Lopez sa loob kay
It's always going to be a given para dito sa Biñan.
Given na rin pag binigyan mo lang Bam Lopez. Entry pass, Bonifacio stepping in. And
depende sa magiging end up ng team.
To si Warren Bonifacio.
Voyagers.
This is gonna be a big off-season. Well, pre-season na. So not enough time for him to fully acclimate himself with
it was on the job, on the fly, that he learned how to play alongside Mari. Certain close game situations na they couldn't figure out where Warren was
more. Kasi sa Pasay, as you see, Alex Desoyo swoop in and score. Bonus free throw coming.
The MJ Homo, yun ang komportableng side niya to score. That's his sweep.
Magiging identity nila heading to Raimundo. Raimundo settles for an outside shot. It's a free.
That is one other veteran guard.
Roa Curva, wala.
Oh my.
Himpayan nandoon for Mix Pascual, yes!
And those are shots that you want him to take. Always admired yung pamilyang finorm nitong Biñan Tatakjer. I'm from the San Pedro.
Panakatakas na ipasa ni Mabula kay J-Mar Himpayan who lays it up and in.
Bigs.
Lakap swishes in. Roakurva, shot fake. Attacks using his offhand.
Kenny is Kenny. Ooh, there you go.
Umiinit na si Mundo. Roakurva settles for a free. Umalog palabas pero nandoon for the putback once again was Waray Gimpayan.
Well,
Ito si Mike, batang-bata pa. Lays it up and in.
parang si Kael lang yung puminis dun. They had to worry about on the side of Sarangani. Binyang still up, 72-54. Nanonood sila ngayon. At gusto raw niya i-surprise na nabati siya. Valentine's.
Counted.
Average 8 minutes in those games.
Tumalim na rin kasi yung lineup nitong Binyan.
Correct. Early season just so they understand ano yung magiging adjustment. Oh!
Pinakitaan tayo na tira sa Yaktub. Lakap, gustong sagutin yan. He does. Back-to-back freeze from Brian Lapoy. Give it
Nice.
go with J. Martin Payan. Lays it up and in.
Wow. And 1 from 3.
Rap de Guzman. Gustong sumali.
Grabe yung shooting, ha?
Parang bago din yung net eh.
Oo.
Sa nakakagana yan eh.
Totoo.
Boy. Galing sa tres. Yes.
Boy. 3 yan.
Bola na agaw. Dignadice, kakapasok lang. Using his left hand.
To go post. Remember I said about the post being one of the toughest part to score. But if you have a guy like Mark Pinglis, it does, yeah. And why not? You know, ito yung sinasabi natin kanina. Post up, couple of dribbles, he's already inside. There is no way you're gonna stop him, especially if he's got you on his hips. Just that drop step the other end, which he took to go glass and finish it off. Mark Pingris still sila Paulo Ubalde.
Yeah, MoneyPay is the digital wallet built for the community. It
Doon sa Valenzuela, talaga nga naman, another 3 by Brian.
Brian, Brian lang.
Oh, tsaka ito yung mga pagkakataon. If you're a player like Brian, it's another 3 made right there by...
That they were clearly lacking last season.
Yes,
That outside shooting. They were dead last in terms of threes.
that's right. Falling short of breakaway layup.
Bola na agaw ni J. Mark Malyari who will lay it up and in easily on the other side. Pan sila the following year, nakalaban nila Rizal who was surging then as Jopet Soriano.
Yung last play in game number 1 when Mark Pinglis and Edwin Panganiban, this guy used to play for San Sebastian. And a slam right there while limiting opponents on the scoring side.
The Binyan will secure this victory over Sarangani behind a strong second half.
And we're gonna give this award over to J. Gimpayan. He did not miss from the field. He shot I think 5 out of 5 from the field to go with the scores or the 14 points that he's had in this game. And perfect from the line, 8 rebounds, 3 of them being offensive and 3 assists.
Perfect shooting
All right.
para dito kay J. Martin Payan. 14 points, 8 rebounds en route to this victory of